part of your factors.
So is that
So we can use that.
If you remember it, yeah.
it's 4z squared and then bracket 2x squared.
Here we have written down.
So you took out the 4z squared. So you're left with 2x. So it should be minus x minus 3. Because if you're dividing by 4z squared, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then the z squared over z squared cancel out.
Wait,
What is it?
okay. And then
Okay.
you just on.
Yes, with what's left there. Okay, now, back to the solving. These were the hardest ones. We're going to go do the easier ones now, okay? So, if you just have something like, that looks like a difference of squares, x squared minus 25 equals 0. Okay? Is there a linear term? No. So here, I just want you to solve for the x squared. So add the 25 over. And then how do you get rid of the x squared? How do you get rid of the squared?
Oh, you take square root.
Square root both sides. Remember to use a plus or minus answer. So just be x equals plus or minus 5, or you can say x1 equals positive 5, x2 equals negative 5. Okay? So if it looks like that difference of squares, that's what you're going to be doing. Compare that with a problem that might look like this. 3x squared minus 15x equals 0. Okay, 3x squared minus 15x equals 0. You'll see this like on number 37. So is there a linear term? Is there a linear term? So is there an x? 15x right there. So can we solve for the x squared in this case? No. That is only when your x is, you do not have a linear term. Okay, that's just called the square root property. This one has a linear term, it's missing the constant term. Okay. So all you can do here is you're going to look for a greatest common factor. You'll not use the factoring, the split in the middle. So we're going to divide a 3x. And we get 3x times x minus 5 equals 0. So in this case, when you have a linear term and a quadratic term, no constant term, you're going to end up with a monomial multiplied with a binomial. So you have a monomial multiplied with a binomial. Now you set your factors equal to 0. So I go 3x equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. So now similar to what we started with earlier. So if 3x equals 0, what does x equal? 0. And what's the other one going to be? 5. So you get your answers that way. Okay. Be quiet. I see all of you are just wanting to work and not listen to me right now. So let's. That's it on that one. Because those are not perfect squares, so you can't factor it any further.
Is anything? Will any of them be unfactorable?
No, I think they all can do something.